Yo, welcome back after a little production break over the holidays, and we are back ready to make some cash dollar. 2021 is going to be all about innovation tech, all about the new fourth industrial revolution, everyone solving problems. Alrighty, so 2020 forced everyone to be indoors, to think outside the box for a change, to solve problems that we didn't have, that we have, and it placed people in a very tight spot, and that pressure allows you either to innovate or to get left behind. And that's why there's so many different companies doing great stuff, pushing the limits, bringing out new things, and everyone is thinking just a bit further, solving problems. Because 2020 gave us problems, and 2021 is going to give us problem solutions. So what to watch for? Some of the industries I will definitely be having a close look at during this 2021 season, and what we will be discussing throughout our videos. And there are 6 sectors that I would say definitely is a good idea to go look at. Go find some stocks that you like in there. We'll also be discussing some stocks in those sectors. Let's get into it. The first sector that I definitely would look at, and I'm definitely going to be looking at, is the space industry. Anything rockets, space, tech, manufacturing of it, anything in that industry. I mean, even Cathy Wood's ARK Invest, they are making a space ETF. That should give you a very clear indication that that is the next frontier. That is where we're moving to, and there is a lot going into that industry. A lot of tech, a lot of manufacturing, and a lot of good thinking companies. Second, obviously, with America finally having their things together, we know Biden is pushing for the green renewable energy route, and that's why any renewable energy stocks, go look at them, find a good one, see which one to work with, it's solar, wind, hydrogen, make your pick. Then third, obviously, as 2020 has shown, we need some e-commerce. So everyone is moving on to buying their things online, having it shipped to your home, having online pop-ups, all those things. Look at those types of stocks. Then fourth sector that I would look at, and that's especially also for the JSE and the American market, is infrastructure. South Africa very focused on infrastructure for the road to recovery post-pandemic, and the same with the Biden presidency. They're going to be pushing a lot into their infrastructure, fixing America's outdated infrastructure. They call it outdated, but I mean, we have South African infrastructure, so yeah. Infrastructure is going to be a great push for any country that wants to recover post-pandemic, because our infrastructure needs to change. Fifth industry is obviously automation tech. Anything to autonomy, robotics, that is the route we're going. Whether we like it or not, a lot of autonomy is going to come in. It makes things easier, it makes our lives easier, and it's definitely an industry to look at. And that automation tech links a lot of the times with anything to cyber tech, to fintech, because it's all tech that makes our lives easier, and it's got an autonomous vibe to it. Then sixth sector. Now this one I haven't always been fond of, but now with the post-recovery, the travel and leisure industry is bound to take a bounce. But here you have to find stocks that are robust, either stocks that see a gap post the recovery and take it, or stocks that have been around and now changing their approach, changing their business model to take the best advantage of this recovery. That's my 6 sectors that I will be looking at in this 2021 year of investing, so we can get into it. Someone asked me the other day about oil stocks and stuff. Me personally, I'm going to be staying away from oil stocks, just because if you look at what's happening is everyone's moving to the EV industry and stuff like that. So I really feel personally that the oil has reached its limit. It'll never go back to where it was. I mean, a lot of things get made from oil, but when it comes to the transport sector or the energy sector, I would personally be focusing on renewable energy stocks. Oil, for me, any oil stock is more a trading stock, not an investing stock. And here we are all about investing. And that's it, guys. That is the sectors we'll be looking at. Stick around for the videos, hit like and subscribe if you're not yet, but hit the like button, so that we can get growing, get our investments going in those sectors. We'll also be branching out, but those are the main ones. I'll be looking at.